Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time, both analog and digital, on a CasiOak G-Shock GA-2100 or module 5611. To start, make sure the watch is in the timekeeping mode. Press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. The city or time zone that the watch is currently set in will appear on the screen. Press on the two buttons on the right side to find your current city or the city corresponding to your time zone. If you don't know which one to choose, please leave a comment below and I will guide you. I will choose Bangkok for my time zone. Press the mode button one time and now press on the start button to set DST or summertime on or off depending on your time zone. Press the mode button one time and now press on the start button to choose between 12 hours or 24 hours to display on the digital screen. Press on the mode button 2 times. And now use the two buttons on the right side to choose the hour of your local time. Press the mode button one time and now use the two buttons on the right side to choose the minutes of your local time. Press the mode button one time and now press on the start button to choose the year. Press the mode button again and now you can use the two buttons on the right side to choose the month. Press mode again. Now you can choose the date. The day of the week will be calculated automatically by the watch. Press the mode button 3 times and press on the adjust button 1 time to exit the settings. The hands of the watch will rotate to the time set on the digital display. If they are not matching, I will post a video in the description on how to fix that. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.